So now in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how I tinned the wire for wires that I used to connect to connectors in an earlier video. So tinning the wires is getting a little solder on them so that they make better connections for the most part. So to begin with, I got a little solder onto the soldering iron like that, and it is dangling from a helping hand right now, and just let the heat of the solder go up the wire, and or the heat of the soldering iron go up the wire, and then run the solder along it. And so one of them is out of the way. Now I'll go to the red one. So I cut the wire, this is 16 gauge wire, and then strip the plastic with my tool. So there's already solder on there. I'll set it in the solder. That will help the heat transfer, and we'll just keep going until the wire gets hot enough that the solder flows freely. So the solder should go through the strands, but it's pretty straightforward. So as I said before, this is my helping hand, and it has a little soldering iron holder. So I know there's a mess behind there, but it just lets the soldering iron dangle like that, and when we're done we just wipe it off on the wet sponge. And so that's the first part of me putting together connectors.